you're experiencing frame stuttering on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to potentially resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, select System Software, and choose System Software Update and Settings. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 2. Adjust performance mode. Navigate to Settings, then to Game Presets. Here you can select Performance Mode, which prioritizes frame rate over resolution. This can help reduce stuttering in games that support this feature. Step 3. Change video output settings. Go to Settings, then to Screen and Video. Under Video Output, ensure that the resolution is set to 4K if your display supports it, and enable 120Hz output if your monitor or TV allows for it. This can help smooth out gameplay. Step 4. Clear cache. To clear the cache, turn off your PS5 completely, then unplug it from the power source for at least 30 seconds. Plug it back in and power it on. This can help resolve temporary performance issues. Step 5. Rebuild database. Start your PS5 in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the option to rebuild database. This process can help improve system performance and reduce stuttering. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize frame stuttering on your PlayStation 5 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.